Hello friends, in this short and quick video I'm going to show you how to enable open documents as tabs in Photoshop CC. So guys, if you need to enable and turn on open documents as tab, so just you need to click on edit, then navigate in this list preferences. So when you hover on preferences you will see workspace, so click on it. Here you need to check this box to open documents as tab. Select this box, then click on OK. That's it. So guys, like this you can enable open documents as tabs in Photoshop CC. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.